That's CeRbi, as it's called, because it's a Derbi with a CR motor. 85cc, lots of power. This one is not stock though. This one's got the VHM racing head, the Key-in racing carburetor flat slide with the V-force reed block. So this thing makes even more power than a regular CR85. And pretty much everything on this bike has been touched. It's got a adjustable rear shock. It's got the wavy front rotor with the adapter for the bigger rotor for more stopping power. Everything, the levers, the mirrors, the HGS race pipe, all the mounts have been done. Upgraded radiator. It's a really sweet bike. Bat special. Let's see if we can get it to start. It's been sitting for a while, but being a Bat's build, it should start up. Fires right up.